Hello everyone, this is AlHn from IKOO Glass. We are the top 5 supplier for high-boros kitchenware. Today I'm going to show you our new patented product, glass lid container. This is glass lid container. The lid is made of tempered glass. Let me show you. So it's made of tempered glass. It will be more durable than other material. The glass lid and container can be put into microwave together. Also, you will see what is inside very clearly compared to other material lids. See this. This is the main special feature for it. If you like this, come to us quickly and become the special seller in your market. The logo can be customized. Also, there are 10 different shapes and sizes for option. If you have any question about the details, you can come to us by Alibaba. See you next time.